Let's create this fun nail hack together. I'm starting with this soft pink shade as the base color. For this nail hack, I'm using a plastic straw. First, make a small fold in the straw to prepare it for the next step. Now fold the straw in half. This will create a small heart shape inside the straw. Now press the straw a little more firmly. This helps the heart shape hold its form inside the straw. Now you have a small heart-shaped tool. Next, I'm using a darker shade of pink for the heart's design. Dip the straw into the nail polish. Try not to use too much nail polish. If you do, the heart shape can spread out and lose its crisp edges, making the final result less defined. Use just enough nail polish to create a clean and even print. Gently press the straw onto the nail and move it slightly. Make sure to apply even pressure, otherwise the heart shape may not transfer completely. And here's the finished result. Such a simple nail hack, but it creates the cutest little heart design. Finish by applying one more layer of top coat. This adds extra protection, enhances the shine, and helps your design last even longer. It's such a simple nail hack, but it creates the cutest design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more nail art tutorials. See you in the next one.